to play tag, Bird.
Snuffy, I want to play hide and seek.
Tag.
Hide and seek.
Tag.
Snuffy, hide and seek. Wait a minute. Gee, Snuffy, if we keep arguing like this, we won't be able to play anything.
You're right, Bird, but what are we going to do? We both want to do different things.
Oh, boy, this is a tough one, all right, Snuff. You know what?
What?
We better think about it. Okay.
Think.
Oh, boy.
No.
Wait a minute.
What?
I know how to solve this. How about first we play a game of tag
And then after we play tag, then we play hide and seek.
Wow. Yes. That way we both get to do what we like and we're both happy.
Wow! Did you see how we solved that problem, Bird?
Snuffy, it was just sheer brilliance.
Yes, that's true, Bird. You want to sing about it?
Oh, that would be a thing of beauty.
We worked it out. We got it straight, had a problem about it, now we're feeling great. More out our stump on our heads. Bird, we're not wearing hats. We had a chat. Said this and I said that. We worked it out. You're still my friend. Tucked it over as a happy end. Why, we'll say beyond a doubt, we worked it, me and you, Bird. So we worked it, friends forever. We worked it out.
And next, tag, you're it.
Bird! I'm gonna get you, Bird!
Ending to... And next, tag, you're it.
Bird! I'm gonna get you, Bird!
Steady.
Oh, hey, look, it's my friend Big Bird. Hi, Big Bird, how are you, buddy?
I'm pretending to walk on a tightrope, just like in the circus.
It's time to play Ernie to Ernie, where Ernie hides and Big Bird seeks.
Wait! Stop the game! Big Bird, Rubber Ducky and I were wondering if we could try seeking.
Oh, you mean I hide and you look for me?
Right.
Okay, can we do that?
Why not?
It's time to play Journey to Big Bird, where Big Bird hides and Ernie seeks.
I wonder where I should hide.
Well, I don't know, but you better find a place before we count.
The dinner's gonna be a very short game.
I think I have
Oh, yeah?
an idea.
You have an idea, Big Bird? Yeah, he went to go hide.
Okay, are you ready to count, Rubber Ducky? Well, okay.
And no peeking, duck.
Seeking. Duck?
Never mind.
Never mind.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Wow. Gee, Rubber Ducky. Gee, Rubber Ducky.
Gee, Rubber Ducky.
I don't think we're on Sesame Street anymore. Where are Big Birds hiding?
It's hard to think in here. It's such a circus.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our circus.
Well, what do you know? It is a circus.
really Big Bird is hiding. Big Bird is hiding somewhere in the circus. I wonder where.
Let's go look around.
Hey, did you swing by with yellow feathers? Rubber Ducky did too. Let's see here. Big Bird has yellow feathers. We found Big Bird. Wait a minute, that's no big yellow bird. It's a monkey dressed like a big yellow bird. Hey, the two-headed monster, they're a two-headed clown.
Have either of you seen...
Ernie, yeah, Ernie. No, I'm Ernie.
Have either of you... Yes.
Great to meet you too. Listen, have either of you seen Big Bird? Big Bird? Big Bird? Big Bird? No. It's from a two-headed clown. Now, where is that bird? Did you hear that? Whoa, look at those stilts. Wonder who's up there. Wait, I see yellow feathers. Is that you, Big Bird? Sounds like a cow with yellow feathers. Or a horse. Or a rooster.
Gee, I wonder which one it is, Rubber Ducky. Are you a cow, horse, or a rooster with yellow feathers, huh?
Neither. I'm a duck doing animal impressions.
Oh,
Quack. That's a duck.
very good. Wow, what an act. Well, I know it's tough, Rubber Ducky, but don't lose hope.
Big Bird is tall and something small. Oh no, I'm okay.
A flying clown clue. He's tall and something small. Hey, could that be Big Bird?
Big Bird?
Nope, that's just a giraffe.
No, it's just a giraffe. That's something
Tall and something tall. Hey, maybe that's him.
Oh, no, that's just a mouse.
No, there's something small and something small. Hey, now that car is small, but how can someone as tall as Big Bird fit in something so small? Did you hear that?
Did you hear that?
That sounded like Big Bird. It is Big Bird. I see yellow feathers.
Gee, do you think Big
And the only one I know who has yellow feathers is my good friend Big Bird.
And he's the biggest bird we know. I mean, he's so big. So really big. He's such a...
It's Big Bird. We found him. Yay! Come on, everybody, sing along with me. It's Big Bird. It's him. And he placed a feet of yellow feathers that beak up on your face. Your happy Big Bird voice, la tells us you're the one. We found him. Our journey to Big Bird is done.
That was fun. I liked hiding.
Well, and Rubber Ducky and I like seeking. What's that? Oh, and squeaking. That's a game too. Hide and squeak.